What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Denise, and today I'm going to be doing a quick and easy DIY versatile quick weave using Alipearl hair. Something that you guys are interested in seeing, stay tuned. Someone that has been using Alipearl hair for a very long time. I absolutely love their bundles. And you can order their hair from off of AliExpress, Amazon, or you can go directly and use their store link, and I will link everything down below. I have 3 bundles of body wave here. I believe they are 22, 20, and 18 if I'm not mistaken. Only thing that I'll be using today is this Salon Pro bonding glue, scissors, and a stocking cap. I'm going to be molding my hair down using a black gel. You see the braid pattern. I just braided this down flat, and I sewed my hair because, as you can see, my hair is pretty long, so I sewed it down to make it as flat as possible. And the braids are not perfect, but I'm going to put this stocking cap on and mold it down. This is down. I'm going to take some white liner and put a line where my leave out is at.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community.
A barrier of protection between my hair and the gel. And the bonding glue for the quick weave.
I won't tell on the bros with immunity. Man, beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm leaving by more, we swiping and keeping no word. Explorer, I'm young and I'm turned, I got bitches galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm splurging. Got 5 million cash just in case if you merging. My young niggas kill, get away, they be purging. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who's on you working? I turned on my coupe, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm going at nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you we with it, my word.
But I'm going to start with the longest length, which is the 22, I believe. I am going to literally stack these right on top of each other so that it comes out nice and thick. And if you want to, you can start your track from here. Even like lay your first track right here around the perimeter of where your leave out will be. And that's probably what I'm going to go ahead and do, so that way whenever I do get ready to put it up in a ponytail, the track will just flip back and lay seamlessly. But the first track laid around the perimeter, and then now I'm just going to keep going in and filling this space all in. And I really want it to be nice and thick, so I am definitely stacking them like literally right on top of each other. This is a super easy hairstyle. I know y'all are probably like, it's easy for you to say because you're doing it and you've done it before. But seriously, if I can do it, anybody can do it. I know it's probably like intimidating at first, or it looks like it's hard, or you just feel like you can't do it. But baby, you just gotta try. Your first time might not be perfect, but the more you practice at it, before you know it, you could be a book me. You could be a book me. And you're fitting it to your head and filling in these spaces. About this much glue all the way down. You just keep repeating this same step all the way through. I feel like the most important part to a successful quick weave is how you lay your tracks, where you lay them, and making sure that you're covering up any open spots. So, and I like to pull mine really tight, like I can see from over here. So I'll hold this down right here with my thumb behind, my thumb behind the part with the glue. and I can see where the last track ended, and I'm just going to sit it right here and bring it down and pull it real tight right over top of the last track. And I'm just going to put my thumb in front of it now and use my fingers to crawl over and make sure that it's nice and tight. And once it's nice and secure, handy dandy. And then you just keep repeating that same step all the way through until you get to the top.
I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low car, the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, cullin' and shouting, my driving ain't solid. I keep it on point, make sure nobody follow us. I got a Glock with a shot that can stop a truck. I get the money, ain't wait like an octopus. Go in hell, I'ma give all these choppers up. Team full of players, ain't nobody stopping us. We gotta run, give a fuck that we popping them. Been raising hell back in school, I was dropping them. Yeah, all of my hoes get face to face. Making my bitch too much, she lazy. I was thinking price too high and not raised. Shit in my bank account getting outraged. Niggas spend a lot, had to switch on my phrase. And I'm sitting outside till the fouls get flamed. Switch up my route to the house, had to change. Still with this shit, I forget that I'm trying to leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low car, the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, you tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low car.
Now that I got it all filled in, I still got a bunch of hair left. This hair is nice and thick. It was looking thin at first, but I did wash it and let it air dry. It needed for me to run the blow dryer through it, but I ran it through the back. I'm getting ready to run it through the front. And then we're just going to cut out the leave out here and flat iron. Like I said, this style is super quick, super easy, and pretty much anybody can do it. You want to be real careful right here because literally underneath this cap is your hair. So be real careful. And I'm just sliding my finger in there. Y'all can see. Hold on, let me pin my hair back. Ooh, I'm sweating, child. It's hot in this bathroom now. All right. And be careful.
If I catch you knocking off, then it's gonna be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no kumbaya, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die.
This is the final look. I hope you guys absolutely loved it. I definitely enjoyed making this video and doing this style for you guys. And if you are new, please consider subscribing if you made it this far. You don't want to miss anything that we have coming. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.